ठीक है आप
This place is very, very sacred and very divine. It goes by the name of Herakan Vishwa Mahadham. Shiva in human form has taken an avatar here not once but a number of times. And his previous form, the latest form that he took over here, the last form that he took over here, it was from 1970 to 84. For 14 years, he was known as Herakan Baba by the locals. They started calling him Herakan Wale Baba. And before that, also he had taken an avatar again in Herakan. So this entire area is this Kumaon area is very, very sacred, very divine. And it has been said in the scriptures that during the Kali Yuga, that Shiva would come here and for the benefit of humanity, God takes a human form to take away a lot of karmic baggage of humans. So we are really blessed. It's a very, very divine place. और कहते हैं कि यहाँ आना ही बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है. ये ऐसा क्षेत्र है, इतना दिव्य क्षेत्र है कि स्क्रिप्चर्स में भी इसकी, शिव पुराण में भी इसका महात्म्य है, मेंशन्ड है कि कुमाऊं जो एरिया है, उत्तराखंड सारा ही देवभूमि कहलाता है. बट दिस कुमाऊं बेल्ट एंड these mandirs, these 9 temples that you've seen over here were carved out of a hill which was completely mountain, a rocky mountain. And Herakan Baba got these temples built, and a lot of international and national devotees had come here to do a lot of seva. Seva in the sense, we call work karma yoga here, because that's how Herakan Baba explained that you need to do a lot of karma yoga. In Kali Yuga, the only way that you can get salvation is through karma yoga and japa, by chanting the Lord's name silently, keeping your mind on the Lord and working to the best of your ability. Do whatever you are doing. If you're a son, you're a husband, first you do your karma as a husband and a son to the best of your capability, or with honesty, truthfulness and integrity. And whatever job you're in, whatever work you're doing, do it to the best of your ability. So it should become more like meditation. It shouldn't, when you work with your heart and soul in something, then it becomes actually meditation. It's no longer work. So everybody in this age should just, during the Kali Yuga, should just do a lot of hard work. He said you should work hard till your last breath. Never be lazy. And we have to be very, very courageous. That is what he said. He said 40 years back, Herakan Baba had already predicted that this would be the state of the world, that Mahamari ऐसी आएगी कि डॉक्टर्स तक को समझ नहीं लगेगा कि how to handle it. So because Shiva is Trikal Gyani, he knows the Bhoot and the Bhavishya and the Vartaman. He is everything. He is a knower of everything. So, and also he said that he didn't propound, Herakan Baba did not believe in any particular religion or he did not propound any particular dogmatic beliefs or anything. He said whichever faith you're from, whichever belief system you are from, you just believe that and be true to your heart. Be a true, honest human being. उन्होंने कहा था, उनका mantra, like we say, Satya, Saralta and Prem. Service to humanity with love. Saral zindagi jiyo, like a child. Be really, really, like a child, be honest, be truthful and have faith upon yourself, because the Lord actually resides within us. He's not outside us. हम बाहर ढूंढते रहते हैं भगवान को. भगवान हमारी हर सांस के अंदर है. So if your heart is pure, हमारी आरती में यहाँ एक लाइन आती है कि अंतर हृदय शुद्ध शिव वासा. If your heart is pure, Shiva resides within your heart. So this is what, and these 9 mountains are at the base of Adi Kailash. Adi Kailash, or Kumaon Kailash as they call it, is the hill which is behind, which you can see over here, right? यहाँ से तो ये छोटा वाला दिख रहा है, उधर खड़े होंगे तो आपको ये बहुत बड़ा पहाड़ पीछे नज़र आएगा, ये कैलाश पर्वत है।
Right.
यहाँ पे when Shiva married Ma Parvati in the Sati form, they came and they stayed here, and it's a very, very powerful place. Baba Nanak had also been through this place when he was going to Nanak Matta Sahib, the Gurudwara there. So these are a lot of divine attributes to this place. And Baba Hera Khan manifested in the sacred cave which is at the base of this mountain. You know, these 9 temples are carved out of the mountain. तो इतने पत्थरों के बीच में 1970s में जब यहाँ रास्ता भी नहीं था और यहाँ पे लोग आके उन्होंने बहुत कर्म योगा की थी, तो उन लोगों की मेहनत, और लोग आए थे हमारे देश के ही नहीं, फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, लाइक कैनेडा, स्कैंडिनेविया, you get Latvia, Russia, Italy, everywhere possible, from countries you can't even imagine, people just landed up here. So how God pulls his souls to him during that time. And they all got a darshan of Baba either in their dreams, and they reached this place tab sadak bhi nahi thi, rasta bhi nahi tha. They had to walk so many kilometers from from to reach this place. सारा रास्ता पैदल चल के आते, तो कम से कम 10-12 किलोमीटर 22 किलोमीटर का तो रास्ता इधर से सारा ही, इधर से अगर हल्द्वानी से चल के नीचे तक आओ तो लंबा रास्ता था, 3-4-5 घंटे लगते थे। तो वो लोग इतनी शिद्दत से आते थे, यहाँ पहुँचते थे, बड़े उनकी मेहनत। आज भी आप जो मंदिर देख रहे हो, दिस इज ऑल थैंक्स टू देयर कर्मा योगा दैट वी आर एंजॉयिंग। सो एंड that's it. And there's a Sati Kund over here, which is when Sati Ma used to come down from Kailash, and she used to come and bathe here. So that area is called the Sati Kund. And you see the Gautami Ganga, Ganga Maiya over here is in a really pure form. And गौतमी गंगा नाम इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि गौतम ऋषि ने हज़ारों साल पहले यहाँ गंगा मैया का जो प्रवाह था इतना ज़्यादा तीव्र था कि she was in a very torrential flow and he wanted to go up to Kailash to meditate. तो फिर उन्होंने यहाँ पे तप किया, and then Shiva asked him that okay, when he granted his wish, he said, I just want that Ganga Maiya थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे narrow down हो जाए, थोड़े shallow हो जाए. So in this belt you will see Maa Ganga, she narrowed down, बहाव भी कम हो गया, so you can walk across and go up to, you can trek up to Mount Kailash. It's about a 4-hour trek, 3.5 to 4 hours trek. It's a beautiful trek, and it's again a very sacred place. So this is Gautami Ganga Maiya.
So is it like connected with the Hera Khan temple of Ranikhet, which is at front?
Yes, it is connected because it belongs to the Hera Khan Samaj. He has 2 temples. Hera Khan Baba has 2 temples. Just this temple over here. Then there's Ranikhet mein bhi it is the same Hera Khan Baba temple, and also in Kathgodam. In Kathgodam, yeah.